So here I have the HPT520 thin client, and today we're going to be doing a teardown, like completely. I've been taking the heatsink off all the... I don't even have any thermal paste right now, so yeah, let's get into it right after the intro. Three, two, one. So before we start opening it, we just need to unplug everything. And the power supply is external on this computer, so first we'll need a Phillips headed screwdriver, small one, to undo these screws at the back. I'm sorry I don't have a camera over here either. Okay, so now that we've cut those two screws out, also this thing opens to see all of the numbers and information about the computer. Now we just slide this off and take it off just like that. I do like HP computers because they're really easy to open up and upgrade, which is the opposite of you, Apple. So now let's take out the motherboard. Just see if the screwdriver works. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's grab one of these hex keys. Or star keys, whatever they're called. That one? Nope. Smaller. So it's a Torx T10 screw. T15, not T10. So now we've just got to take out the 5 screws for the motherboard. In fact, I'll do it at this angle, so that you can kind of see. The processor on this thing is on the underside, not on the top side. In fact, maybe before I take that out, we should take out the RAM. So there's one slot for DDR3 SODIMMs. This is 4 gigs. And then here, let's take out the M.2 SSD. We need a Torx. In fact, no, we can just use a flathead screwdriver for that. So there's our SSD, M.2 2242. I upgraded it last year to a 256 gig one because it came with an 8 GB SSD. Okay, now let's just continue unscrewing the motherboard. This computer isn't particularly powerful. It's got a dual core AMD processor in it. And it can't even play Minecraft very well. Where is this? Okay. So now what we want to do is unplug the speaker. Being very careful with the cable, of course. And then we want to just grab the back of the board. It's been a while since I've done this. Grab the back of the board and just tug it out, I think. Yeah. And then you just tug it out. And there we go. I'm not doing the right precautions because I don't actually have an SD strap. But there's some pins over here. I don't know what those pins are for. I think it's for resetting the BIOS or something. But up here we have our M.2 slot, our Wi-Fi card slot, a CMOS battery. Here's the BIOS. The CPU is on the underside of this. Here's our RAM slot. And here's all of our ports. And this is the heatsink. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything else interesting on here. So let's shift around to the back. So this is our heatsink, and yeah, let's now take that off. Is there a fan header? Wait, no, that's the speaker header. Okay. Right. So let's get this out of the way. And so using the same driver that we used to take out the screws on the motherboard, we can take out the screws for the heatsink. They're actually numbered. Yeah. It's not particularly easy to take off this heatsink, though, I must say that. And I would power it back up. I would power it up if I did have a monitor up here, which I don't. I'm in the process of doing one, so yeah. So there's our heatsink. Yeah. And then right here is our dual-core AMD processor. So yeah, that's the motherboard completely teared down. I have to put it upside down so that I don't damage the processor. I need to put some more thermal paste on it as well. So now let's just do the last thing and take out the speaker. In fact, I'm not going to do this because I don't think I'll get back in again. It's awkward. The speaker's awkward. But there's the speaker in there. So yeah, now all I need to do is just put it back together. So that's the motherboard without like all of its stuff on it. Yeah. Other than the CMOS battery, which I'm not going to take out. So let's put it all back together. Time-lapse time. And also this, the bottom of this is sticky. Rubbery. And there we go. So it's all back together. So yeah, I can't really test if it's working or not because I don't have a monitor up here, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.